have any kids of my own, but I am blessed with the sweetest, cutest, coolest niece. And over Christmas, my sister and her came over and spent the week with us, and it was so fun. This video's topic feels like such a hyper-local, hyper-niche topic. One of the days that they were here, my sister, my mom, and I took my niece to the local children's museum. And honestly, I was pretty impressed by it. So let me show you some snippets in case you happen to be in the Glenview, Illinois area, northwest suburbs outside of Chicago, and you're looking for a way to entertain kids for a few hours. Here's a look at the ticket prices. What you should know is that Glenview residents, Wednesday afternoons, you get in for free. And for anybody, if you book online, we did not know this. I only discovered this while researching a little bit for this video, so we did not get to take advantage of this. But if you book your tickets in advance online, you save $2 per ticket, rather than if you just go and buy at the museum. If you live locally and you think this might be something you want to go to on a regular basis, definitely check out their annual membership, because at a high level, it looks like a pretty sweet deal. I will link the museum's ticketing page on their website in the description below, so you can just click over and check all of that out. You might be wondering what age group of kids this museum is good for. I saw kids there at a variety of ages. My niece is just under 2.5 years old. There were kids there younger than her, and there were kids there older than her. I feel like this shouldn't need to be said, but maybe. So be prepared to be on, because you are responsible for supervising the child that you bring. There are all these different exhibits, and it is so fun to watch your little one play and enjoy. I don't know what it is about kids and playing grocery store or supermarket. I remember liking it as a kid and going to a museum that had a grocery store exhibit, and it was so fun. And this was a really popular part of the museum. As an adult, I don't get it, but it's very cute and very fun for them to go in and play around. There's also a vet clinic, a nursery or pediatrician type of area, a music room, a water playroom, a train area, which I believe was a temporary exhibit, so it would be cool to see what they swapped that out with. And honestly, we spent more time there than I was expecting to spend, and we still didn't see everything. There's a cafe on site for food, and they don't allow outside food or drink, but you can order coffee from the cafe and bring it into the museum with you, which is kind of nice. Overall, it was a great fun way to kill some time and tire out a kid while engaging them and making sure that they also have a really fun time. So if you're in the area, if you're in the Chicagoland area or in the northwest suburbs of Chicago or in Glenview, go check out the Kohl Children's Museum.